Ever stood at a family dinner, nodding yes to a favor you couldn't afford while your gut twisted with regret? Each time you choke down your own needs to please someone else, you're selling your dignity for a smile that doesn't last. What if one raw, honest no could rebuild you into someone nobody dares push around? This is your moment to stop being good and start being unbreakable. The Stoicism mindset is your way out, carved from the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, turning self-betrayal into a life of bold truth. Stoic philosophy says you control your choices, your boundaries, your voice, not the nods of others. People-pleasing leaves you drained, hollowed out, but the Stoicism mindset offers 10 principles to take back your power. Meet Sylvi, a 32-year-old baker from Oslo. Sylvi said yes to every customer, every friend, until her bakery teetered, and her daughter stopped looking her in the eye. I was nobody to her, she says, her hands shaking over a cold oven. Stoicism for beginners gave her a backbone. She set limits, saved her shop, and won her daughter's pride. Sylvi's fight lights up Stoicism motivation for anyone trapped by their own yeses. The Stoicism mindset isn't about being cold, it's about being real. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it." Your strength lies in choosing what aligns with you, not what wins applause. In Stoicism relationships, this means standing firm, building respect through self-improvement. Picture Sylvi in her kitchen, staring at her daughter's photo, thinking, "I have to be someone she trusts." That's the Stoicism mindset. Truth over approval. Reject blind niceness, the first principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Pleasing everyone strips your worth. Write down one time you overgave. I stayed late for a friend. Decide a limit. I'll say no next time. Do it today. Meet Nora, a 30-year-old teacher from Auckland. Nora's endless favors for her school nearly cost her community's trust, her lessons ignored. I was their doormat, she says, her voice tight. Stoicism motivation taught her to refuse. She took charge, earning respect. I'm not here to please, she says, boosting mental health. The Stoicism mindset builds your truth, aligning with Stoicism lessons. Try the boundary forge. Set one limit, stick to it, unearth pleasing roots. The second principle the Stoicism mindset uncovers. You've been trained to seek approval, hiding your real self. Think back. I stayed quiet to avoid a fight. Choose honesty. I'll say what I think. Speak one truth today. Meet Varun, a 29-year-old coder from Montreal. Varun buried his ideas to keep his team happy. His app stalled. I wasn't even there, he says. Stoicism practice pushed him to speak. He launched his app, gaining fans. I'm me now, he says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset frees your voice, fostering mindfulness. Use the truth spark. Say one honest thing. Cultivate firm kindness. The third principle, the Stoicism mindset champions. Kindness. Without boundaries invites disrespect. Plan one kind act. Help a neighbor. Add a line. I won't overcommit. Hold both. Meet Liz, a 33-year-old nurse from Cairo. Liz gave everything to patients, her energy gone, her family distant. I thought that's what good meant, she whispers. Stoicism daily taught balance. She cared fiercely but guarded her time, rebuilding her home. I'm kind, not a pushover, she says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset keeps your heart strong, reducing anxiety. Try the kindness anchor. Do one kind act, set one boundary. Master saying no, the fourth principle the Stoicism mindset demands. No is your shield. Promise yourself. I'll turn down one request today. Say it clearly. I can't do that. Stand firm. Meet Elira, a 31-year-old chef from Athens. Elira took every extra shift, her own recipes forgotten. I was stuck, she says, eyes distant. Stoicism for beginners built her no. She wrote her cookbook, earning praise. No saved me, she says, enhancing mental health. The Stoicism mindset owns your time, aligning with Stoicism practice. Use the no shield. Refuse one ask. Command presence, the fifth principle the Stoicism mindset brings with Sylvi back. Your steady voice demands respect. Plan to speak clearly. I'll talk slow and sure. Stay calm when pushed. Sylvi faced a client who demanded free cakes. I saw my daughter's face and stood tall, she says, heart racing. Stoicism motivation gave her strength. She said no, kept her prices, and grew her shop. I'm someone now, she says, fueling self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset makes you a force, strengthening Stoicism relationships. Try the presence flame. Speak with calm power once. Sylvi's stand shows. Your voice matters. Embrace discomfort, the sixth principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Hiding from tension keeps you small. Pick one hard moment. Call out a rude comment. Say it straight. That's not okay. Face the sting. Meet Ria, a 28-year-old marketer from Mumbai. Ria dodged arguments, her ideas ignored. I was invisible, she says. Stoicism for women pushed her to confront. She pitched boldly, landing a deal. Tension makes me, she says, boosting motivation. The Stoicism mindset turns discomfort into growth, enhancing mindfulness. Use the discomfort pulse. Tackle one tough moment. Stop seeking approval. The seventh principle, the Stoicism mindset champions. Chasing others' okay traps. You. Think of one time you bent too far. I apologized. For nothing. Act free. Say no without explaining. Be you. Meet Vale, a 34-year-old writer from Dublin. Vale begged for X likes. His story's safe. I was a fake, he says. Stoicism practice cut the chase. He wrote raw, found his voice. I don't need their nod, he says, easing anxiety. The Stoicism mindset sets you free. Aligning with Stoicism lessons. Use the approval detox. Skip one people-pleasing act. Live with clarity. The eighth principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Know what you stand for, honesty, family, growth. Write 3 values, act on 1. I won't gossip, stay true. Meet Zarin, a 30-year-old entrepreneur from Cape Town. Zarin caved to clients, her vision blurred. I lost my way, she says. Stoicism for women gave her clarity. She stuck to her goals, grew her startup. I know who I am, she says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset keeps you steady, enhancing Stoicism on love. Use the clarity vow. Act on 1 value. Protect your energy. The 9th principle the Stoicism mindset champions. Draining. People steal your strength. Spot one drain. Endless group chats. Step back. I'm out for now. Keep your peace. Meet Kalen, a 32-year-old trainer from Chicago. Kalen said yes to every client, his gym failing. I had nothing left, he says. Stoicism practice guarded his time. He focused, built his business. My energy's mine, he says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset saves your fire, fostering mental health. Use the energy guard. Cut one drain, align with purpose. The 10th principle the Stoicism mindset demands, with a raw spike. Live for what matters to you. Ask, what's my purpose? Act on it. Start my project. Own it. Meet Kala, a 35-year-old artist from Sao Paulo. Kala's yeses to everyone else left her art unsold, her daughter ashamed. I saw her turn away and broke, she says, tears falling. Stoicism for beginners gave her purpose. She painted her truth, sold her work. I'm here for me, she says, boosting Stoic truth. The Stoicism mindset builds your life, enhancing motivation. Use the purpose compass. Act on your purpose daily. The Stoicism mindset changes everything. Your boundaries guard your peace. Your clarity sharpens your focus. Your truth builds respect and relationships in love in you. Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Picture Sylvi now, her bakery warm, her daughter laughing. I almost lost her, she says, voice steady. but I chose me. Her Stoic truth shows you can too. Or take Oren, a 29-year-old coder from Toronto. Oren's yeses buried her app, her dreams fading. I wasn't even real, she says. Stoicism practice gave her focus. She launched her app, found her fire. I'm solid now, she says, fueling motivation. Ready to ditch people-pleasing with the Stoicism mindset? Here are 10 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners, building mental health, focus, and truth. Boundary forge. Set one limit, stick to it. Truth. Spark. Say one honest thing. Kindness. Anchor. Do one kind act, set one boundary. No shield, refuse one ask. Presence. Flame. Speak with calm power. Discomfort pulse. Tackle one tough moment. Approval. Detox. Skip one people-pleasing act. Clarity. Vow. Act on one value. Energy guard. Cut one drain. Purpose. Compass. Act on your purpose. These exercises shape your Stoic truth. Sylvi's bread. Nora's lessons and Kala's art prove it. The Stoicism mindset breaks the chains of people-pleasing to build a life of strength. For 30 days, try one Stoicism exercise, say no, stand firm, or live your purpose and journal your progress. Picture yourself in a month, clear, respected, unbreakable. Sylvi stands in her bakery, her daughter smiling, saying, I'm enough, now. Your need to please is your starting point. Your Stoicism mindset is your truth. Start today. Start your 30-day Stoicism mindset journey today. Reflect in a journal or share with a close friend.